Hi there guys, I'm coming at you with a video, and this is some product that I received from Rossi Nails, and this is the box that it came in, which says Glam Your Nails. And it was kind of hard to get in the box, so I already took the products out, and it's a dip powder kit. It comes with the base coat, which is number 2, the activator, and the top coat. And then it comes with the dip, which is the glam powder. And this is number 68, which is celebration. Hope you're seeing okay. All right. Now, I'm going to be using my flexi finger for this, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some base coat. I'll put the base coat on the finger, and I'm going to use this. Let us see how the nail is going to adhere. We're going to see how well. And guys, I do have a discount code for this company, and I will put it somewhere in the video, and I will also put it in the description box down below. And I am going to add a little bit more base coat up under here to clear this nail tip. Glitter, this is so beautiful, guys. I mean, this is nice, and they have a lot of different colors to choose from. Check out their website. I'll put the website in the video so that you can go over there and check them out, guys. This is wonderful. This is a beautiful color. We're going to start with the base coat. I want you to be able to see it. We're going to start with the base. Don't want to knock it over. All right. So now we're going to start right here. All right. Now we're going to dip the nail. And the nail is kind of long, so what I'm going to do for the rest of the video is I'm going to pour some of it. Oh, that is so cute, guys. Can you see that? That is cute. I'm going to apply another coat of the base coat. I love this glitter. Oh my goodness, I love this. And so what we're going to do is we're going to this is nice, guys. Oh, this is so cute. And you know I am so glitter crazy. I love glitter nails. Base coat. This is beautiful. Wow. I love to do this on my nails. just going to dip that right in there. Oh man, I like this. I'm really liking this color that they sent me. And you can layer it as much as you want. It's up to you. You can layer it however you like. And I'm just going to roll this part over here in this. Oh my, this is so beautiful. Oh, I love it. And a perfect color. Okay, that looks really gorgeous, guys. All right, our next step that we're going to do will be number 3, the activator. All right. Now we're going to put a layer of activator on this nail. For this, you can take a buffer and buff this nail to really get it smooth. You really don't have to file. You can just buff this nail. And it's absolutely nice. And then we'll take the activator and go over it with another coat of the activator. After you buff it, you go over it with another coat of activator. Then the last step that we'll do will be for the top coat. That's number 4. All right, so we'll apply the top coat. That's the final step. And look at that nail shine. It just brings out the glitter. And it's very, very beautiful. And with this dip system, guys, there is no lamp needed. And all you have to do is just buff the nail. It's absolutely gorgeous. So go on over to their website, guys. Look at that nail. It is absolutely beautiful. Beautiful, guys. So head on over to rossinails.com and don't forget to use my discount code Jean20 and get 20% off of your order. All right, guys. Bye-bye.